How to change someone's name in your messages app on your iPhone. This is super useful for organizing your contacts or adding nicknames. So let's get started. First, let's open the contact apps. Now find the contact whose name you want to change. You can scroll through your contacts or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person. Once you found the contact, it's time to edit the information. Now tap on the contact's name to open the details, then tap edit in the top right corner. Update the first name, last name or both to whatever you prefer. After making the changes, tap done in the top right corner to save. Now let's make sure the change is reflected in your messages app. Go back to your home screen and open the messages app. Open a conversation with the contact you just edited and you'll see the updated name at the top. And that's it, you've successfully changed someone's name in your messages app on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks.